So we get back to the same project. What you want to do is give it the same inputs, the same name as what is available on the default pin assignment. So the first switch that I want to use is the switch 0. You can just copy. In VHDL code, obviously you just need to define it as an input, but for schematic I'll just paste that and go back, copy that for switch 1 and paste it there. So this should work perfectly with your VHDL coding and it shouldn't be an issue. So if I go to the LDR0 as an output, let's use LDR0 there. Good stuff. Save it. Then you go to assignments, you import assignment, you find the right pin assignment that you used. In this particular case, I've got it saved in this particular folder, which is the d1soc.qsf. So I'll import the QSF file, open it, and click OK. Remember, after the pin assignment, you always need to compile it so it can actually assign the right pins to it. So you notice now we don't have the pins showing, but once we compile it, you will see some update on there. So I click compile. I'll pause the recording and wait for the compilation to finish. So go back there and so right, it's finished the compilation, and after the compilation you can see, similar to the previous video, you've got the actual pin automatically assigned to switch 0 or switch 1, and the LED or the red LED. This is because we imported the default QSF file. Makes life easy for us. Now let's go back to programming the boards. You go to Tools, Programmer. If the hardware is not selected, what you have is just basically this selected on for you. As long as you've installed the driver, you've got the board being recognized by your computer, you can always come here and select the DSOC board and click Close. Now remember, when you do auto detect, it comes up with this. You can click the 5C SEMA 5 that we're using. Alright, so now you add your file. In the output folder you can find you look for your project name and the SOF file, which is the top level file that you actually want to program onto the board. Now the interesting thing is that if you try to install this onto the board, it wouldn't work because you notice that the SEMA is repeated twice. This one is loaded from the project file that we just added, so we don't really need the previous one that we have. So delete that from there and you have the one from the project, and you click Start. That should program the board. You toggle switches, you notice that the board is working as expected. Okay, that completes the stage of this tutorial. Good luck.